Welcome back to more modeling subtraction. I'm going to show you a few more equations to practice our skill of modeling subtraction. Here we have 319 minus 163. Again, we're going to model the minuend. That's the number we start with. So I'm going to start with 300s. Oh goodness. 110 and 9 ones. There is something exciting going on in the hallway. We are going to subtract 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. We need to subtract 6 tens, but all we have is 110. Oh no! Thank goodness we can regroup one of our hundreds for 10 tens. Let's see if I've counted these out correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens. We can do this.
Yeah, Mom.
We can take away 6 tens. 6 tens, does that look right? Yep, that looks right to me. Put it down here. And we can take away 100. Now, what do we have left? I see that we have 6 ones in our ones place.
Yep.
We have 5 tens.
5 tens.
And we have 100. 156. I would love to check by adding up. Instead of adding the way we did in the last video where we stacked up 156 and 163, I'm just going to do it with my models. So I already know that modeled on my board is 156. Now I'm going to add back the 3 ones that I subtracted. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add back the 5 tens. Sorry, the 6 tens that I subtracted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 100. And this should equal 319. So 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. So I could swap this out for one of these, or I could leave it and it's fine. 300, 310, 311, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 319. So I got the same minuend that I started with as my sum. So that checks out. Now I'm going to show you how we can do a similar thing without any manipulatives, showing you how we can just draw these pictures. So the next equation I'm going to use is a little bit larger. It's 862 minus 347. Okay, so instead of using the blocks, which you may or may not have anything like this at home, we're going to just draw pictures. And the students know we just draw what we have. 800s, we're going to draw 8 squares.
One.
Oh, that one got really floppy. 8 squares to represent our 8 flats of hundreds. 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2 ones. The first thing we need to subtract is our 7 ones. We clearly can't do that. We don't have enough. So we're going to take one of our tens, regroup it into 10 ones. It doesn't matter how the students show their 10 ones, but I encourage them to put them in 2 rows of 5 because they can visually see that that's 10 very quickly. Now we can subtract 7, and we don't erase so that our teacher can see our thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I saw students work like this, I can very easily tell what subtraction they have done and help them with any mistakes that they're making. So that's why we don't erase. So we have 5 ones left. Now we can subtract our tens. We have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even though we've really removed 5 tens, one of those was regrouped. So we have 1 10 left, and we could subtract 300s. And we have 500s left. Of course, we want to check our work. So 515 plus 347 equals, this would be 12, which is 2 ones and 1 10. 110 plus 110 is 2 tens. 2 tens plus 4 tens is 6 tens. And 5 hundreds plus 3 hundreds is 8 hundreds. So that's modeling without using the manipulatives.